going to get started again. Once again, my name is Bormann. I have some cards up here at the front if y'all are interested in taking a look at any of my social medias to keep up with where I'll be next, what I'll be doing. This next song is an original song. It's called In Our Dreams. It kind of talks about the dreams that you have when you're sleeping and the dreams and goals that you wish to attain and everything in between. So here it is. Dreams fade away too fast. Just one night for all these moments to last. But then you wake up and reality hits you like a wave. With all the things you have to do and all the time that you don't have to wait. And in the midst of these unfamiliar times, just look around and see what's right there before your eyes, before your eyes. And oh, we're better off in our dreams. And oh, we're better off in our dreams. Look upon a star, throw a wish into a well. Seems like all your hopes and dreams were right there before you fell. But the distance between reality and in your dreams is the place where you are and where you want to be. And in the